Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing the Praki Airtight cereal storage container set. You can get them in a 4, 5, or 6 pack. I have the 6 pack right here, which I believe is the third time I've ordered them. They are marketed for food storage. However, this review is not for food storage, but for storage of 3D printing filament, which you can see here. Over time, filament can absorb moisture, which can affect the printing, so storing it in an airtight container with desiccant can help prevent that. This product is 22 centimeters long by 8.5 centimeters wide by 24 centimeters high. It's at a 4-liter capacity. It's BPA-free, dishwasher safe, food grade, and airtight. It comes with 20 labels, a white marker, and a measuring cup. The lid is easy to snap off, put back on. It's got a rubber seal. The top pops open simply. As I mentioned previously though, I am not using this to store food. I'm using it for my 3D printed filament. What I've done is I have removed the lid container and 3D printed a desiccant filler with a humidifier. We put that in the top, seals tightly, snap it onto the top of the container, and there you go, an airtight container for your filament. Works great. You can add the labels to label what kind of filament you have inside there. And I've also printed some of the labels for the top that slide in here. So overall, I'd say these things work really well. They're airtight. It would keep your food fresh for a longer time, but for my use of 3D printing, they're excellent. Keeps the filament dry. You're able to print right away when you load up the spools. Very sturdy, very easy to access. They do the job great. Continue to order these as long as I continue to do the 3D printing.